Et bonjour à tous, on se retrouve directement pour la suite de l'épisode. J'ai fait la trajectoire par rapport au dernier épisode pour vous économiser du temps.
Voltealo. Quítate, estúpido. Le voy a dar un balazo. Quítate. Quítate, pendejo. Quítate. Una, dos, tres. ¡Ven!
¡Todo por la revolución! ¡Vamos,
¡Ándale! Calmado. No, para atrás, para atrás. Usted para atrás. Para atrás, para atrás.
¡Rebeldes! Escuchen la melodía del cielo.
¡Otra vez!
Welcome to Mexico. My brothers and I are just discussing the future of our country.
Okay, let this man go. And who are you, gringo? I'm no one. But unless you want this town to tear you and your boys to shreds, I suggest you let him go.
And you think you could tell me what to do, friend?
Oh, you should listen to him, friend.
Look at that. You want to risk it?
The American is a drunk. If I were you, I would pull that trigger.
Put the gun down, Americano.
Ya, mátalo.
¡Dejen mi hombre!
¡Mierda! ¡Ay, Dios mío!
Puta Santa María.
So you want to settle this now, friend? Or you want me to shoot you in the head right now for that poor girl?
Okay, but we fight like men, not like dogs.
Thanks, my brother. Now the people are finally ready. Today we overthrow the Coronel. Untie me! We must escape now while we have the chance.
What you got on you, friend?
Vamos! There will be more on their way.
Senor, there are prisoners in
Pauvre
jail
girl.
right on our side. Can you save them?
I will rally the peasants, Junk. You go after the
Ouais, elle va
prisoners.
passer, elle va arrêter de se croire en tant que... Arrêter de se croire femme de l'autre, hein. Avoir les avantages.
Amigos, tomen sus armas y peleen.
¿Listo? ¡Apunta! ¡Fuego!
Yo toque. Por aquí. ¡Intruso! ¡Tiene liberado el preso! Que no te saldrás.
Why you wanna die? Just a
J'aurais
little
pu
something for my troubles.
les libérer, mais... On va prendre le fusil à verrou.
Libéranos, amigo. Somos leales a Abraham Reyes. Dios, gracias, señor. Eres un amigo de México.
Padre, gracias. ¡A la mierda con estos pendejos! ¡Ándale!
C'est pas trois technos qui vont être bons à l'étage, mais bon.
¡Alguien de su pelón! ¡Aceptamos la barricada! ¡Vamos, mis hermanos! ¡Tomamos la manzana! mansión de Allende.
On a de l'argent. On verra si on peut revenir ou pas.
Go for the machine gun, John.
I guess this ain't gonna end well for someone.
Ah, poussez-vous, poussez-vous. J'ai pas l'impression que les carabines de... Ok, les balles. Que les balles de carabine que j'utilise soient les mêmes...
Vamos, mis hermanos. Tomamos la mansión de Allende. Fucking damn. Cuidado, tienen una ametralladora. You have to help us, John.
Oh, je ne t'aide pas là.
What am I doing here? I warned you, didn't I?
Ok. Bon, j'ai pas besoin d'autant d'argent encore, mais bon.
Por ahí no vamos.
C'est important. Looter ce que je peux looter. Non. Là, on a plein de cadavres. Voilà.
What have we got here?
Il est bugué? Ouais, il était bugué, je crois. Allez, viens.
Go
Parfait.
for the machine gun, John.
Ah, utilisé, d'accord. Ok.
We can use gunpowder to blow the door open. Wait while we get everything into position. Now, John.
Anybody else? Who would stop doing that?
je régène un petit peu. Passez pas devant, ça sera encore.
Put your gun down, friend!
Voilà, pour passer au-dessus des 2500.
Traigan hachas. Echen la puerta abajo.
Ok.
Oh, compadres, aquí vienen más. Están subiendo la puerta.
Tiens la porte.
Preparados. Defenden la puerta. No dejen a nadie entrar.
Ah. Allez-y, venez, 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 venez. J'accueille tout le monde est égal, égaux, pardon. Merci d'être venu. La revoyure.
Come on! We can still get to my stagecoach! Go then! I'll cover you!
They're getting away. We have to stop them.
Fallait là, Williamson.
¡Vámonos! ¡Date
Ah,
prisa,
avec une
cabrón!
petite Gatling.
To their horses, compadre. We cannot let them get away.
I thought you was tough! Stand and fight! Just give it up! Jingle your mother!
¡No aguantamos a traidores!
Je veux mon cheval. Arrête d'avancer, reviens.
Let's go. Do you want Williamson to escape? Come on.
Je te
come
dirais
on.
bien oui,
Hurry.
mais je
We
refuse
can
de
ride fast. We can
monter
still catch them.
sur ce cheval qui n'est pas le mien. Pause. Là, ils vont peut-être partir par là.
Come on.
Non, non mais.
Come on.
Ok. J'avais le bon chemin.
Give up, Williamson! Didn't have to be this way, Bill!
Parfait.
What the hell are you doing? Find my freedom, pendejo! Now shut up, dummy, and get out of the wagon! Apúrate! I'm coming out! Don't shoot!
Here. Take Williamson. Just let me live. I will leave the country, I promise.
You always was weak-minded.
You're the one who let Dutch drive...
J'espère que j'ai bien fait de le tuer aussi. J'avais envie de le tuer aussi.
Mexico is mine.
Je voulais les tuer tous les deux, de toute façon. Ils méritaient de mourir tous les deux.
people are free, and it is all thanks to you, John.
And to the people who laid down their lives. People like Luisa.
Oh, yes. She was very brave, and she will be missed. Who was she again?
Your peasant girl wife-to-be?
Oh, yes, of course. She will have a day named after her. Laura's Day.
Luisa.
What? Oh, yes, I know Laura as well. Magnificent girl. Like riding a pampas bull it was, amigo. You never saw anything like it. Anyway, enough about sport. Let's get back to politics. I trust you will join us in riding on the Capitol.
I'd love to, but with Williamson dead, my jailers need me back in Blackwater.
Hey, ¿qué hacen? Levántense. Well, I must say, I'll miss you, John Marston.
I doubt you'll even remember me, Abraham, but it's been an experience. Good luck with the revolution. If you win power, remember why you wanted it.
Well, travel safely, amigo. Vámonos.
C'est où que je dois aller? Lumière moteur action, ok. Le train là-bas, blablabla, blablabla. Il me faudrait la diligence. On va aller sur la diligence.
Let's go!
Et on va regarder si on peut voir les cadavres des deux là qu'on a tués.
Yeah! Slow up.
Ouais, c'était là. Et on avait continué sur cette route.
Come on! Come on!
Bon.
I hope he stops doing this.
What you got? You need a ride?
Non mais non mais... Je veux pas. Bref. C'est pas ce que je voulais faire. Ah, il y a le colonel, ouais. Bon, tant pis. Oh. On va retourner en Amérique, quoi.
Come on! Let's go! Whoa
Oups,
there.
c'est pas par là. C'est juste après.
Fast! Yeah! Fast! Hey! Whoa, whoa!
You feather-brained son of a bitches, have y'all lost your damn mind? What the safe doing out here? What if someone saw it? They go straight to Marshall Johnson Armadillo and tell them where it was, wouldn't it?
Faudra que je fasse tout le chemin après.
I swear y'all fellas must be dumber than the fence post.
Bon, allez, vas-y. Allez.
Make your move.
Allez, vas-y.
Mister, these fellers robbed a bank in Armadillo. I've been tracking them ever since.
Ça va faire tout le chemin, mais c'est pas grave.
Outnumbered. Would you mind lending your gun?
J'ai déjà fait cette mission, mais...
This is getting real nasty.
Mmh.
Thanks for your help, mister. Now I trust you'll return this safe to the banker in Armadillo.
Eh bah... C'est parti. Je peux avancer tout droit, je peux avancer tout droit. Juste que j'utilise ma concentration, enfin mon sang-froid, pour mettre des têtes et ça ira très bien. J'ai pas eu le temps de lire c'était quoi le message qui est apparu où j'ai obtenu une médaille pour le défi de je sais pas quoi. Ils sont un peu dissidents les chevaux. Hein. Ils sont très dissidents.
You got her safe back. I never thought I'd see that again. I cannot thank you enough, sir. Hey there.
C'est du bien de retourner en Amérique. J'en avais un peu marre du Mexique. Vous avez terminé le défi 1 minute 10.
You're going to make
Okay.
me late. Jump on in.
Super. Euh, On va lumière action. Il n'y a pas cette quête que j'ai toujours pas fait, mais j'ai un peu la flemme.
I'm just getting up to speed. Give me the tall tree. You just rest up a spell, mister. I'm the best coachman in these here parts. I'm just gonna have a rest. We're here. Time to get off and out. Hello. Hello, mister.
If only I'd hired you instead.
Mr. McKenna, what are you doing here? Thought you were running a film company.
Oh, Marston, how the fates have spurned me. The muses cajole and lament my foolish nature. The hubris. The hubris!
It gets the best of us.
I've lost everything. Every last dime I invested in that studio is gone. The production was delayed by weather. That fool Spatchcock fell in love with the cameraman and ran off to Canada. Damn you, the gods of bad weather! And the hearts of vain men. Guess I'll have to go and make dreams elsewhere.
Good luck.
It'll take more than luck to stop me.
Et c'est ainsi que l'histoire du cinéma se... Une viande? Ok. Ok, et ben il va être l'heure d'aller... à l'Argent Ross, hein. Ah non! Oui, je sais ce que j'ai pas fait. B. Matériel, carte au trésor. Carte au trésor. Ah oui, c'est vrai que c'est ça. J'ai aucune idée de c'est quoi comme carte. Je sais, j'ai aucune idée. Ça peut être absolument tout. J'ai la flemme de regarder. Et de faire toute la map. Je vais regarder sur internet. Attendez, je vais regarder sur internet. Je veux savoir où est-ce que c'est cette carte au fameux trésor là. Carte au trésor, Red Dead. Ok, alors. Ok. Alors, c'est pas beau de faire ça. C'est pas découvert de faire ça, mais j'avoue que... Alors, où est-ce que je suis? Ok, je suis là. Le jeu me dit que c'est ici. Et nous irons ici.
Great plane, please. Put your feet up, get some rest. Some ways out. I need to get some rest. Wake me up when we arrive. All right, boys. Here we are. Take your
En vrai, je l'aurais probablement jamais trouvé. Parce que je voyais vraiment un arbre qui se séparait plus que ce que je vois là.
Perhaps there is a God.
Ah ouais, vite, enfin ouais, vite fait. Ok. Ah, un coffre. $10. Alors, et la dernière carte. Parce que du coup, je sais que ça devient. Ok, bah c'est tout au haut d'une montagne. Alors, fais pas ton.
Blow it up now.
J'ai envie de faire ça, même si c'est un peu moche de le faire comme ça. Mais j'avoue que j'ai plus trop envie d'y réfléchir et de regarder. J'ai envie de passer un peu à vraiment continuer l'histoire.
Go.
Ok, là je vais pouvoir.
Let's go. Whoa.
Il y a plein de biches.
I think I got my eye back. That one nice. You best shoot me now or this is over. Come on.
Ok, sympa cette zone.
Whoa. Come on.
Ok, ouf. Heureusement qu'il se stoppe tout seul.
Yeah.
Euh, Il était là? Ouais. Ok, voilà. On va pouvoir passer à autre chose.
Sir, I beg of you. My wife has been abducted and we must rescue her. Ride on.
Yeah.
Il est venu me chercher loin pour sauver sa femme, l'autre, là.
Come on. Faster. Oh there. It's just me and you, partner. Easy.
Bon, il est temps. Il y a une maison ici, ok. Il est vraiment temps cette fois-ci de faire une mission qui va sûrement changer de région du coup. Il fallait. La région de la forêt, avec la forêt, la neige et tout, vraiment très stylé, mais trop petite. On retourne trop vite dans la savane, dans les terres un peu sèches. Ah, parce que la zone était vraiment stylée.
Let's go. Yeah. Hey.
This is my town, Marston. Play by my rules.
Hello there, sir. You look like a man who can do an honest day's work for an honest day's pay.
Then looks can be deceiving, pal.
Perfect. As honesty is in my business the worst policy. I work for our well-respected governor, Nate Johns.
That makes sense.
Now, there is a certain individual spreading nasty rumors about Mr. Johns. I'd like you to put a stop to this vile gossip and malingering.
Suppose I can handle that? For the right price?
Now, this individual has had the misfortune to be photographed enjoying some rather inappropriate company. Been seen with a local whore. Take these photographs to him. After you take care of business, return to me and I'll pay up the reward for your services. You're doing great things for your state, dear friend. You should be proud.
Après ce qu'on a appris on n'apprécie pas trop, le gouvernement de notre côté.
Look out, mister.
Ah, les journaux, ça fait longtemps aussi.
Thank you.
Alors, qu'est-ce que vous avez pour nous? Ah. Des mercenaires américains. Ouais. Ah, Dutch Van der Linde repéré, donc c'est lui là qu'on cherche. Ok. Attaque contre le nouveau gouverneur. Euh... Le kidnapping, apparemment, c'est ce qu'il a fait avec... Ou enfin, pas forcément le kidnapping, mais en tout cas, il la retient... hmm. Ok. Arrêtez parce qu'elle partait un t-shirt, voilà, on s'en fout. Ah, le capitaine Vicente de Santa. Ça, c'est nous qui l'avons exécuté. Ah, il a été retrouvé mort, parfait. Nice. J'aime trop regarder les informations, en vrai. Il devrait y en avoir un peu plus souvent. Les nouvelles informations. C'est vraiment intéressant. Enfin, c'est vraiment marrant et intéressant, oui. C'est...
there, fella. What do you think of our governor, Nate Johns?
Nate Johns? Why, that no-good, lying, backstabbing bastard, I'd like to see him horsewhipped. Why you ask, friend?
Need to make sure I had the right man. Would you care to take a quick look at a couple photographs of you coming out of a fine place of not much repute?
What? As I was saying, before I was so rudely interrupted, Nate Johns is a fine, fine man and an even better
Corruption, on peut ajouter
governor. And I
au...
consider it an honor
à tous les trucs
to
qu'il disait
call
aussi.
him
Moi, je
my
crois peut-être qu'il était déjà écrit.
Wise man.
What's going on with you? Nice to see you.
Ils me l'ont montré parce que c'est un nouveau ou c'est pas un nouveau?
How do you do, Mr. Marston?
Ok, non, il n'y a pas de nouveau, ouais. Je sais pas pourquoi ils me l'ont montré. En vrai, pour 21 $, c'était pas intéressant de le faire taire, hein, en toute franchise. Bon, allons affronter l'autre.
One oh one, 102, 103, 105, 106.
I'm here to see Mr. Ross.
107, 109.
Edgar Ross.
113. Upstairs on the right. 114. 115. 116. 117.
Mr. Marston, so glad to see you. How was your journey?
Where's my wife and son?
Being well looked after. Well looked after.
I want to see him.
Mr. Ross wants to speak with you. We've had some important developments.
You want me to take out a gun and blow a fucking hole in your head right here? Right now? You want that?
Mr. Marston.
You want that?
Mr. Marston, I ask you to calm down.
Why? Why? I did what you asked. I got you Williamson and Escuela. It's over. Stop playing games with me.
No one's playing games with you, Mr. Marston. But if we were to play some games, there'd be some interesting ones we could play.
Thanks, sir.
Like hanging you for murder, or confiscating all your property, like that little farm of yours, or having you put in an electric chair. Those are the sort of games we could play. But we choose to play a different game. So calm down and play along with us.
Where's my wife?
You know, I forget, but I hear it's very nice this time of year. Mr. Marston, please, I've never insulted your meager intelligence. Do not insult mine. We've done this little deal for your freedom in exchange for all your men from your old gang. You gave us Williamson and Escuela. We still don't have Vanderlyn, but now we know where he is.
Then go and shoot him.
No, sir. I want you to shoot him for me. And then I'll let you be. The last thing I want to do is make martyrs out of all these people. He could be killed by some petty squab or by another lowlife.
We believe Vanderlyn is holed up with a group of renegades near the wreck of the Serendipity riverboat.
Yes. Another group of renegades. Obviously, the first group, your group, has, shall we say, been disbanded?
Disbanded.
Anyway, Mr. Ford and Mr. Marston, shall we go? Oh, Mr. Marston, your wife and son are doing well. Let's both try to ensure things stay that way. Okay?
After you, sir.
Oh, Mr. Marston, one more thing. This is for you.
You're too kind.
See, I have nothing but your best interest at heart.
Let's hope it doesn't go off by mistake.
343. I have a patent for that, sir. This is an outrage. Ah, Mr. Marston. You're alive.
Hello, Wes Dickens. Thought you were headed to Peking.
So did I. So did I. A long story. But now it seems I'm being put under arrest and charged with narcotic possession or some other such nonsense.
Ross, have him release this man.
Why?
Because he's a harmless old fraud, the kind of man that built this country. And because he helped me get Williamson.
Did you hear that, officer? The man's a hero. Let him go. Come on, Marston. Moral degeneracy waits for no man. Let's hurry along.
344. 345. 347. 348. 3.
Head for the wreck of the Serendipity, Mr. Fordham. Isn't this something? Lawmakers and lawbreakers working together for the good of civilization.
Like you always say, sir, the higher the stakes, the smarter you have to play the game.
I can't imagine I ever said anything quite so trite. In any case, I'm not sure Mr. Marston would agree with us.
Unfortunately, Mr. Marston isn't broad-minded enough to appreciate the unique opportunity we're offering him.
Son of a whore.
Best watch your damn mouth!
And it's strange you should say that, Mr. Marston, because according to my files, you are the whore's son. Now, what else can I recall from the files? Let's see. You killed hundreds of innocent people. You've robbed at least 40 banks that we're aware of.
They told us there was a prize when you got to 50.
I'm glad this is all such a joke to you.
I want my family.
And I'm sure all the men you murdered wanted their families too. Come on, you're stupid. But you're not that stupid. We both know how this has to be. And it could be all over today. As soon as we find Dutch Vanderlyn, you can go back home and play being a farmer again, or whatever else you've been pretending to do for the last 2 years.
First it was Bill, now it's Dutch. After Dutch, it'll be somebody else. Where does it end?
It ends when we say it ends. You're in no position to make demands.
Like you will. You don't just walk away from that. Buy a few chickens and make it all disappear. You should be dead or rotting in a jail cell by now. We are giving you a chance at new life. A chance at redemption. You can't erase your past, Mr. Marston. But we can.
She's running well, sir.
Such an elegant way to travel. What do you think of this automobile, Mr. Marston?
Slow.
But so convenient and reliable. Are you comfortable?
No.
You see this, Mr. Fordham? The brooding cowboy. There aren't many of these left, you know. A bit of a cliche, admittedly, but still a dying breed. Like buffalo. Just as dumb, but not quite as noble.
They move most cows by rail these days, I hear.
Not where I'm from, they don't.
But you aren't from anywhere.
A new dawn is breaking, Mr. Marston. This is the age of the machine.
And soon, we'll all be living on the moon.
Maybe. This is the future. Anything is possible. Finally, this godforsaken land is entering the 20th century. Prosperity has arrived.
In the form of assholes like you.
I don't understand you people. The trappings of progress are here for the taking, and you're too stubborn to take them. You'd rather live like pigs and break your backs working in a field out of some kind of misguided loyalty to an era that has already been forgotten.
It's not far now. The old Serendipity wreck has been used as an occasional criminal hideout for years. We were informed that Vanderlyn and his gang are making camp here. We'll stop on the cliff above, and you and Agent Fordham will go on foot. I'll stay with the vehicle and keep watch.
And you'll do as I say, Marston. Don't try anything stupid.
Oh, I think he knows what's at stake. Don't you, Mr. Marston?
Let's find Dutch and finish this.
En plus, on fait pas du tout de bruit en arrivant. Laisse-moi juste voir le flingue que tu m'as passé parce que ça m'intéresse quand même. Ok, il est mieux en tout point. Mais il est pas Il est pas stylé, quoi. Mais bon, il est meilleur. Il est pas stylé. Si tu te fais descendre,
Stay close.
Yes, sir.
Vanderlind is the priority. We go in, take him down,
je ne ferai
get
rien
the
pour
hell
te
outta
sauver.
here,
Hein.
quick and clean.
You leave Dutch to me. We don't want you getting that suit dirty.
If you step out of line, even once, well, I hope you're aware of the consequences. Seems real quiet, don't you think?
You tell me.
Maybe Dutch caught wind of things. That informant better not have been lying to us. Keep your eyes open.
They are open. I don't see nothing.
It doesn't feel right. This place is usually teeming with lowlifes.
Si je veux mourir, je ne ferai rien qu'on...
There's someone up there. You go investigate. I'll keep watch here.
Comment on monte? Alors oui, mais... Ah. T'inquiète pas, je suis en train de... trouver la route. Hein.
Over here! I found him!
Good God, that's our informant. Gnosis, what the hell's going on here?
It's a trap!
Shit, Marston! You'll have to carry this man. I don't think he can walk. What the bastard! What? Come on, we need to get him to safety.
This way!
You puny sidewinder. Don't stop now!
Je n'aime absolument pas l'autre pistolet, il est exécrable.
Keep moving, you coward!
You're a hard man, are you? This ain't good!
Now let's go. We need to get the hell off this boat. Hold them off!
Your father thought he had a ball.
Ah mais... Oh, la loose.
We need to clear a path out of here. It is.
On va quand même rester ce pistolet.
Oh my good God! Come on, we have to get out of here.
This is too easy, fellas!
Surrender now!
Ah, ne pas glisser comme un débile comme moi.
Follow me.
You're gonna leave this in a box!
Keep going.
Ah, il me faut des balles, les gars, par contre. Tout va bien. Je prends une petite munition.
Clear. Let's get back to Agent Ross.
J'espère de tout mon cœur que ton agent est mort. Hein. Et surtout m'aidez pas, hein. Ah, je sprint là. Hein. Saleté, va.
Who's this? What in God's name is going on?
T'as pas entendu les coups de feu?
Marston, lift this fellow into the back seat. Put him in the car so we can get out of here. Let's go, there might be more of them.
Christ alive! What the hell happened down there?
It's a trap, they were waiting for us.
And who is this savage? A prisoner?
This is the informant, sir.
Do you speak English?
Yes he does, sir. He's the informant,
Don't
Nostis.
get snarky with me, Fordham.
We found him tied up on the boat, then they jumped us.
Nice of you to help us out. Hell of a plan sending in 2 men to take on an entire gang of outlaws, especially when one of them's an office clerk, or social secretary, or some such.
You shut your mouth!
Pas de discussion. On peut pas passer le trajet. Bon. Ah.
Come on, not now!
What's wrong?
I don't know. The motor just gave out.
Well, fix it, you fool. We need to get this man to a doctor.
Of course, sir. It's Dutch's men.
Marston, we'll hold them off. Fordham, he'll fix that damn engine. Stay with me. Are you gonna help me? That ain't done!
Come on, then! Quick, on! Don't move the damn muscle!
I can't see any more of them. Fordham, are we ready?
Yes, sir, I think so.
Come on, let's get back to Blackwater.
Damn, that was close.
We're lucky to be alive. I'm beginning to see why Mr. Marston here has made it to such a ripe old age.
You'll make me blush with all these kind words. So much for this automobile of yours. If this is the future, God help us all.
It's not the automobile. The bad workman shouldn't blame his tools. Perhaps if Mr. Fordham maneuvered it with a little more finesse.
I was trying to escape an ambush, sir.
Even if it was running fine, they'd still have caught us. I can walk faster than this piece of crap. Give me a horse any day. So what now? Do I get to see my family?
Where is Dutch Vanderlyn?
I don't know.
In that case, oh boy, no, you don't get to see your family. It's a fairly simple agreement, Mr. Marston, even for a man as devoid of intellect as yourself. If you'd like me to explain it to you again, I'd be more than willing.
No, you've said enough.
We'll find Vanderlyn soon. For now, however, I suggest we call it a day.
So how does it feel? Taking a man's wife and child from him. Does it make you feel good?
How does it feel to kill hundreds of men in cold blood?
You're a coward.
You're a murderer. Actions have consequences, Mr. Marston. Come, try to look on the bright side.
The bright side? There ain't no bright side.
Your family is enjoying a much-needed vacation, and in far more luxurious surroundings than those to which they are accustomed, I assure you. Soon you will be able to start a new life together absolved of all your sins. I can think of far more upsetting alternatives.
You ain't God.
In your case, Mr. Marston, it turns out I am. We should take the Indian to Professor McDougal, see what he can get out of him.
Good idea, sir.
I just can't communicate with him. Here we are. Thank God for that.
So, this is the office of an anthropologist named McDougal. He was thrown out of Yale for degeneracy.
We should tell you something.
Indeed, but he's been helping us deal with the natives in this area.
They see him and they presume we're all idiot academics.
Huh? Give me a hand here, Marston.
Ah, Mr. Ross. Mr. Fordham? Good day. Good day. What on earth's going on here?
Kid got shot in the leg. Beat up pretty good.
We'll send a doctor. Now, McDougal, we need information from this fellow about Dutch Vanderland. Can you see what you can find out for us?
Do my best, sir.
Make sure you do.
Professor McDougal has been a good friend of the U.S. government.
Mais personne ne peut vous menacer, c'est ça?
Why don't you see if you can help him in his study of the native problem in this county? That's a good thought.
John?
Marston, you're one clumsy son of a bitch.
Incredible. Simply incredible.
Hello, Professor.
Hello, sir. Oh, Mr. Marston, sir. Good day. Good day. How are you?
Well, my family's health and well-being are being threatened by some unscrupulous government agents, and my own hard-won freedom is under duress. But these problems aside, I suppose I'm fair.
Yes, the problems of civilizing nomads. Tell me, sir, are you from Norse stock?
Not as far as I know. I was raised in an orphanage. My father was Scottish.
Unfortunate. You'd make an interesting case for my theory of natural population characteristics.
Really?
Well, yes, a white man, obviously, but with a savage spirit. Trust me, sir, I mean savage in the best possible sense. Natural nobility, but also simple, pure. I've been looking at some blood samples through my microscope, and you know what?
No.
Well, of course you don't. It's a remarkable breakthrough. I've been looking at the blood of both natives and white men of corresponding height, weight, and age, and you know what?
Again, no.
They're exactly the same. It's remarkable. It completely refutes my last book. But I'll tell you what, sir. This sabbatical in the field may have been somewhat forced upon me by circumstance, but my scholarship has benefited enormously. Would you like to partake of a syringe of cocaine? I've quite enough for two.
Not right this minute, no.
So it's a remarkable drug. It entirely restores the ego. It takes one back to a primal state. It helps my thinking enormously. Nastas, come on. Come in, sir. Would you like to take off your slippers? Or skin a rabbit? I know we cannot see the stars, but still my heart is pure, and we meet as equals. These savages must be spoken to simply in metaphors.
No, sir. I grew up on a reservation and attended school.
Oh, lovely.
But I can show you what you want to see. I know where the group of bandits you seek are hiding. Both of you. Vanderlyn has attracted a following of young men on the reservation. They are turning to bad things.
The savage heart cannot be conventionally civilized. I was right all along.
Where's Dutch Vanderlyn based?
In the hills. In Cotonou. Let's go. I know a way there that is not guarded.
Marvelous. It's simply marvelous.
Et pourquoi le fou furieux de docteur nous accompagne là
Time to do our bit for humanity, Mr. Marston.
Follow me! Whoa!
So,
I understand we have a mutual interest in Mr. Vanderlind?
You gonna kill him too?
Kill him? Good God, no! What is it with you people out here? No, Vanderlind fascinates me. A white man living among natives. A civilized mind turned savage. It's reverse integration or regressive acculturation. I don't know. I haven't found a name I like yet.
He was never that civilized.
Ah, but of course. Edgar Ross mentioned your unique history with the man, although I was away with the fairies at the time, I must admit. Surfing great waves of euphoria. But anyway, yes, some kind of Robin Hood, Oedipus, communist tale of naivete and betrayal, if I remember correctly.
We ran in a gang together, Professor. I wouldn't try to read too much into it.
It's my job to read too much into everything, dear. Look, Mr. Marston, Buffalo! Oh, what a noble beast!
I see him.
The white man will soon be the end of them.
What on earth are you talking about, Nastas?
Too much hunting, sir.
Your whole society is based around hunting.
But we hunt to eat, not for sport. Soon there will be no buffalo left.
Who teaches you this nonsense? Extinction is a myth refuted by Darwin. Species don't die, they evolve. Hunting in time will make the buffalo stronger. These trees are quite foreboding, Nastas. Are you sure this is the right way?
Yes, sir.
It's rather dark.
Ain't you never seen trees before? I thought you were a brave cultural explorer.
It's this way, mister.
Let's go.
Good Lord, no. I rarely leave my room. I explore with the mind, Mr. Marston.
Enjoy it while you still can. Soon you will have cut down all of these trees.
Me? Or are you making a sweeping statement about the white man in general?
There is no respect for the land anymore.
I'm sensing some hostility, Nastas. Some anger. Talk me through this primal emotion, where it's coming from.
Don't worry about it, Professor. Hi-oh! We'll leave the horses here and climb the rest of the way.
Remarkable. I'm afraid I don't really have much of a head for heights. More of a head for highs. well, anyway, I'm sure Nastas will help you. I must be on my way. I've got work to do.
Thanks for the help.
Goodbye, gentlemen. Enjoy yourselves!
Come on! I see a spot where we can climb up. See if you can find another route, Mr. Marston. I will have a look around. There's a cave over here. Might go through or up the mountain. Yes, look at this. A mine shaft.
On revient. Qu'est-ce qu'on va apprendre ici?
This way.
Gunman, after all! You should run off home! Just a little something for my troubles.
I'm hurt pretty bad.
I
Oh,
don't think you
pretty
should go any
bad.
further.
I'll be fine. But you go ahead. I don't want to slow you down.
You sure you're all right?
Just need to take it slow.
N'importe
Go
quoi.
on.
C'est bien
I'll
l'histoire, c'est
catch
bien.
up or see you on
Pretty
the way
bad,
down.
pretty bad.
Don't worry about me. Go look for Vanderlyn. Good luck. You go ahead. I just need to rest a while.
En plus des tirs, ça s'entend de loin, dans une grotte, enfin dans plein de montagnes comme ça. Ça s'entend encore plus facilement. Ah, il y a un cadavre là-haut. J'entends un animal, comme un ours. Ah, je parie sur un petit ours. On n'a pas vu.
Down you come.
Ah ouais, mon petit ours. Dommage, hein.
This is a messy
Cool, il y a des ours au moins. Ah, il y en a un. Est-ce que c'est parce que c'est pour le jeu ou pas, mais on sait pas, mais...
This'll fetch a good price.
Ok. Parfait, parfait, parfait.
Get off me!
Pause. Pause, je suis en plein dépeçage là. Ah, ça va pas? Il est fou. m'attaque en plein dépeçage. J'ai envie de pleurer. J'ai envie de pleurer. Est-ce que par hasard... Attends, l'ours. Je le vois pas. Du coup, j'ai...
Oh, Lord. This is nasty.
Faut que je regarde. Ah non, je l'ai. Ok. Ah mais il est là, ouais.
I'm loving Benny.
Ne pas glisser, ne pas glisser. Ah.
Mr. Marston? Mr. Marston! Mr. Marston! Here you go, Mr. Marston.
Put that stuff away.
You banged your head. Nastas and I carried you down. Nastas heard the shots and he hurried up to rescue you, and he carried you down. I improvised an escape plan. I'm more of a planner than a man of action.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Friends of mine are with Vanderland.
We must try to reason with them, sir. Vanderland's gang contains several natives. We must meet with them and try to save them from disaster.
My people have already endured many disasters. Before, this was all our land.
And now we have brought you civilization. I'm sure it hasn't been easy, but it hasn't been easy for anyone, Nastas. Why, I knew a man in Yale whose father once shot 18 natives in one afternoon out in Wyoming. Oh, the man was quite traumatized. He took to lying with choir boys.
For a wise man, You are a very stupid man, mister.
Gentlemen, I'm gonna leave you to figure out right from wrong.
You are simple-minded, sir. Thus, I do not blame you for not understanding reason. Then again...
La question c'est est-ce que la personne qu'on a vue là, ce qui nous a mis une balle, c'est Dutch?
Yeah.
Hey there.
Hey, killer! Come on!
If it isn't the notorious John Marston.
I heard the first bank collection. Look in these cards.
What are you doing?
Yes, come play. Hello. How you doing?
Est-ce qu'on a une nouvelle tenue? Blablabla, blablabla. Non, il n'y a pas de nouvelle tenue. Ok.
Having a nice day, sir?
On va passer le temps. On va peut-être se faire une dernière mission. Et quelle heure? Oui. Ok.
Hail to thee, John Marston.
On va se faire une mission de Carlito là. Non, de Ross.
What a pleasant surprise, Mr. Marston. An informant just told us some interesting news. Our mutual friend, Mr. Vanderlyn, is about to pay call on his bank manager. What do you say to having a little financial discussion with the fella? This way.
Let's get up on the roof. We'll have a clear shot at them from there. That door is the only way in and out of the building, so cover it tight. Do you see those horses to the left by the building across the street? Dutch's boys hitched them there. They'll have to run that way to make their escape. Don't start shooting until they're out in the open. If we spook them, they might retreat back and hole up inside. Don't shoot till I give you the signal. Keep your sights trained on that bank door.
I hope you know who you're dealing with, mister.
Nobody shoots until I say. Someone's coming out. He's unarmed. Hold your fire. They shot him dead! They're coming out! Gun them down!
Ain't no need to die, friend!
Let's see what this... Get the man in the window!
bien, c'est super bien.
Head into the bank with Hopkins and Manning. Get Dutch. Be careful. There may be some innocent people there.
We can take them. Come on, let's get in there. Follow me. Marston, shoot the door open. Let's go. Watch out for hostages.
Please don't kill me!
When are you sending the men out to fight?
Gracious!
You.
Please!
I ain't gonna tell you again. Back the hell off or you die.
Oh my God! Help me!
Everybody out! Run! Now!
Good work. Dutch ain't down here. He's got to be hiding upstairs somewheres. Ah!
What is this?
You're gonna lose war. You know why? Because you ain't smart enough. They must be in here. Marston, get the door. We got you covered.
Let's go. Come on, let's get in there.
Damnation.
Oh, it's nice to see you, John. Hello, Dutch.
How's Abigail?
Well, I hope. Ain't seen her for a while.
Because you've been chasing me?
Let the woman go, Dutch.
Of course. Of course. How's your little boy?
He ain't so little now.
No, he must be what? 15? 16? Doesn't time fly?
Don't adjust. It's over, man.
Of course. Of course. I surrendered, John. You're the master now.
I've been my master since you left me to die.
We all make mistakes, John. I never claimed to be a saint, but equally, I never took you for an errand boy.
Just trying to help my family, Dutch. By making compromises we all have to. Now let her go. It's over.
You want the girl, John? You always were the romantic sort. You know, gentlemen, this man here, oh, he married a whore. Used to ride with us. We all had her. Oh, but he married her. And you know that makes him a better man than us. He's a better man. Have the girl, John.
Easy, Dutch.
She's a parting gift from me.
No! God damn! Let's get after him! I don't see him!
What the hell happened in there? This is your fault, Marston.
You got a gun too, Sheriff.
You waited too long.
Next time I'll just shoot the girl.
That's enough! Come on, let's find the bastard!
Come on!
Hey, what happened in there? We saw Vanderlyn escaping from some men.
He stole off with the bank manager in an automobile.
Let's just say, Dutch ain't gone and got himself saved. He killed some poor woman.
There's an old logging camp further down this road. It's been abandoned for years. My guess is that's where they're headed. Come on, follow me.
C'est horrible,
So
mais
that's the great Dutch.
c'était prévisible. Hein.
The man who made
Il allait la
you who you
tuer.
are.
J'aurais tiré dessus.
Has he
À
changed?
faire
No, still
un
the
meurtre de
same
plus,
crazy
mais bon.
bastard he turned into.
How was it seeing him after all this time?
Au moins, on l'aurait
On
eu.
your heartstrings?
He kind of reminds me of you. violent piece of shit who went and confused himself with God.
Isn't that sweet of you? Now you must kill him. Your side is chosen.
My side ain't chosen. My side was given. I'd kill you 100 times before I killed Dutch. If it was an option.
Hallelujah! I think we're finally reaching an understanding, Mr. Marston.
Who the hell are you fellers anyway? Lawmen or army?
We are neither, Mr. Marston.
But I have the authority over both. Look, that's Dutch's car. Hurry, can't have got far. Come on, come on.
Ok, j'ai voulu jouer au grand. Et je me suis juste fait tabasser.
Let's go.
Allez. Petite balle en tête. Il y en a des Indiens qu'il a mis dans sa bande. Hein. Il y en a vraiment beaucoup des Indiens. Allez, il s'est barré, évidemment. Trop facile sinon.
Where's Dutch, Marston?
He got away.
Scared to shoot him? Too much to handle?
When the opportunity presents itself, I'll put a bullet in him, don't you worry. Won't like myself for doing it, but I'll do it.
Good man, good man. You know, at the end of this, you'll probably get a medal. I know I shall.
Il s'est échappé. En tout cas, il a pas une bonne gueule, hein, ce Dutch. Ça, je vois qu'il est épuisé. Ah, il est tout... Il a un peu les yeux de la même façon que l'autre, là, le médecin, le fou médecin, là. Ah, arrête. Ah, fais des efforts. Ah, t'es un peu cheval. T'aurais pu passer. Non, non, mais tu... Bon, vas-y, tu me saoules. Ah, c'est pas au sort. C'était critique, mais c'est passé.
All right, we'll hop on in. Okay, gotta tell you, never really driven one of these before.
Take me to Blackwater. Whoa there.
You want to get some shut-eye?
Think I'm gonna get some shut-eye, mister.
That telephone is a demonic like John Marston.
Marston, sir! It's good to see you, old bean. Good to see you.
And you too, Professor.
Forgive me, I am in a state of remarkable agitation, partly due to standard narcotic impulses, but also due to the fact that I have finally solved the riddle that has tormented my mind these past 8 years.
What's that?
The nature of the savage soul! What makes some societies great, like ours, and others, yeah, not worse. I would never use a pejorative such as worse, but lesser!
Meaning?
Meaning. What makes these beings less human than us? Closer to beast on the continuum between animal and God. You know, I argued with Fortescue at Yale about this. It caused a minor scandal. But I shall be proven right, sir. I shall. Mark my words. I shall show them all what civilization is all about. The redskins and the nubs at Yale. Come, sir. I have a way to sate both our desires. I will bring you, Vanderlyn and me, the evidence of savages reverting to type. Come, sir. Where the devil is Lestas? He should be here with the horses. Where is he? Where is he?
Famous John
My
Marston.
heart's beating like a drum.
Try to calm down, Professor.
Calm down. I've never been so excited in all my life.
Hello, Professor. Mr. Marston.
Good to see
Yo!
you. Oh, there. Come on.
Il est vraiment fou.
This is it. Years of research.
On a vraiment
What were you talking
eu que des
about back
personnages
there?
secondaires à chaque fois. Aucun commentaire ne sera fait. Je disais, on a vraiment eu que des personnages fous. Ils sont tous fous. Fous. Il n'y a rien qui va.
Mr. Marston.
Y a rien qui va dans les personnages.
I'm actually a little nervous, I have to say. A touch of the old jitters.
No kid.
It's no small relief to have the two of you along with me. Especially you, Nastas. You really have made remarkable progress in the short time I've known you.
I'm glad you have found it useful.
I've always been a little afraid of savages, if I'm honest. But your mastery of basic English and openness to rational discussion is nothing short of reassuring.
You see, all those years of research were worth it.
Isn't it fascinating? I've actually noticed that your skull is very Caucasian in form. I must have a prod around it at some time.
I'd rather you didn't.
So many questions! Have humans evolved into competing subspecies? Why is the white man civilized more quickly? Why does Nastasia dance for rain and sacrifice deer to a myriad of false idols?
You're starting to offend me, old man.
No deer sacrifices then! I must make a note of it!
Why don't you try breathing instead of talking for a while?
I feel so alive! A bear!
Easy.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
Crazy! What's wrong with you?
My God, that was terrifying! I say we leave before any of its friends turn up! My goodness, I'm still shaking! What a ferocious animal!
That bear showed no signs of aggression. If we hadn't shot first, it most likely would have ignored us and moved on.
All very well for you to say, but perhaps you have some kind of primal bond with these animals, but I, sir...
This is it.
Well, let's get this started. I hope I don't have to smoke a pipe. Hello, gentlemen. We come in peace.
Those words mean nothing coming from people like you. Look at what you've done to us. Look at us! We live like animals, scrabbling in the dirt.
But violence isn't the answer.
Maybe you live in a different America than we.
Men like Vanderlyn will lead you to disaster.
I think we've already experienced disaster. The likes which you could only imagine. Put your hands up!
We come in peace! Do as he says, Marston.
You call this a meeting? Give me your damn weaponry.
This is not what we agreed to.
You shut your mouth, you treacherous snake!
Oh, shit. Damn, Dutch! Professor, get down now!
Ah, on a perdu notre indien.
Marston, you have to get us out of here!
Stay down and keep quiet!
Never in all my days! I think I've had about enough of field work for today. Time to return home, sir.
I don't know about you, Professor, but I say we get the hell out of here.
You don't have to tell me twice. Let's get back to Blackwater.
Bien entendu que je m'en irai. Après avoir pris mes dollars.
What can I say, partner?
What are you doing? There might be more of them. Easy.
Ah, les 2800. Wouhou!
We should move quickly. There's plenty more where they came
My
from.
God, I feel terrible. My head is pounding.
Getting shot at'll do that to you.
I'm completely drained. It's like my body has aged 10 years.
Stop moaning and ride. More. Keep your eyes peeled. Yeah.
Big Boston!
I can't see any more of them. Come on, Professor. Let's get you back to Blackwater.
I'd appreciate it if you would, Mr. Marston. I'm a shadow of my former self.
Moi, on élimine techniquement.
Well, I can safely say
Et après la bande,
Worst experience of my life.
I wish I could say the
on apprend
same.
sur boss, hein.
Blackwater. Ah, I will never talk ill of you again.
Civilization in all its glory, Mr. McDougal.
And am I glad to be back? I'm in dire need of a syringe. Something to clear the mind, restore the spirit.
So you ain't planning on sleeping then?
Sleep? My dear boy, I'll probably never sleep again. Slow it up.
Safe and sound. Thank the Lord.
So much for a meeting of minds.
Thank you, Mr. Marston. I could be boiling in a pot right now if it wasn't for you.
Get some rest, Professor.
On va les sauvegarder. On va les sauvegarder. Bah, lâche pas ton balai comme ça. Il le récupère ou pas? Non, il le laisse par terre. Ok. Ok. Eh bien, sur ce magnifique, cette magnifique rencontre entre Indiens, ça va être la fin de cet épisode. Je vous dis à la prochaine.